For 4 nights, PhilHealth Senior Manager Atty. Rogelio Pocallan Jr. slept in this folding bed. He was detained at the House of Representatives for 5 days. Pocallan was cited for contempt during the hybrid joint hearing of the Committee on Public Accounts and Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. The official was grilled over PhilHealth's decision to reverse the Court of Appeals ruling regarding the Perpetual Succour Hospital in Cebu. PhilHealth initially suspended the hospital for 3 months, which the CA affirmed. The PhilHealth Board, however, reversed the CA decision. Deputy Speaker Rodante Marcoleta questioned Pocallan about it.
Nahuli mo na nga yung Perpetual Succour. Napatunayan na ng Arbitration Office. Napatunayan ng Board. Inapheld ka ng Court of Appeals. Pagkatapos gagawa ka ng opinion, napaniwala mo naman yung Board na kinakailangang palitan. Saan ka nakakita? Bakit korte ka ba?
Pocallan admitted writing the legal decision used as basis for reversing the CA ruling.
Sino ang gumawa ng legal opinion sa inyo? Mabuti pa, mag-aminan tayo para madali tayo.
Yes, sir.
Anong yes, sir? Sino ka ako? Yes, sir.
Ako po, sir, sa internal legal
Yun,
department.
ikaw, di ba?
Cavite Representative Elpidio Barsaga moved that Pocallan be cited in contempt, accusing the official of Pocallan, however, said the legal opinion he wrote was for another case not involving the Cebu hospital.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.